Hello, it's Catherine again from the arts, crafts and travel blog mandalameadow.com. Today I'd like to introduce you to the Japanese art of origami with this simple little butterfly. I'm going to be using this lovely paper from Tuttle. It's double-sided, image on one side, plain colour on the other. And this butterfly is a great place to start for beginners. Begin with the paper facing down and fold it in half diagonally. Use the back of your nail to strengthen the fold. Now turn it the other way and fold it again diagonally. Open it up again. Turn it over so you've got the picture facing upwards. Then fold it in half lengthwise. Turn it 90 degrees and fold it in half again. Open it up and fold it into a triangle like this. Fold it in half again to make a smaller triangle. This is the open end, and it's here that you trim it down if you want rounded corners to your butterfly wings. Or you can leave them as they are for pointed wings. Open to here and have the point facing down. Now fold down the top layer of one side. And do the same on the other side. Now take the underneath at the bottom and fold it round. And fold over the little flap you get at the top. Now fold it together like this and press down really firmly, as it does have a tendency to unfold. And there you go, there's your butterfly. If you liked this video, please do give me a thumbs up or even subscribe, and do check out my blog mandalameadow.com for arts and crafts tutorials, art related travel features and my live online art classes. Bye for now.